welcome. Sorry I've been missing in action for a while. There has been a lot going on lately and it's just been a tiny bit difficult to manage everything. On top of that, I had some health issues. That's why I'm trying to take it easy for now and not put too much pressure on myself. So I thought today I would just have a little catch up with you, and yeah, that's that. You guys know that I'm working on a more ample project which I will launch hopefully this summer. Oh, there's still a lot to be done because it involves some really massive amount of work, but I already love the aesthetics of it. I'm so super excited and I can hardly wait to present it to you. Now, with regards to YouTube, there's a bunch of stuff that I'm planning on doing, and while I was in Romania for Easter, I filmed a couple of traditional recipes that I would like to share with you. However, the dishes that are specific for Easter only, I will keep them for next year. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film and edit everything in time, and now it seems a little bit redundant to post an Easter recipe when the whole hype is over, you know. On another note, while I was back home, I found this old notebook where my mom used to stick newspaper jokes and anecdotes when she was in school. It looks quite lousy because a mouse somehow managed to get inside a box where my mom kept the notebook, and it just ate a great deal of the jokes. But I scanned the remaining comics, which are simply lovely in my opinion, so if you're interested to read them, head over to my official Facebook page where I'm planning to post a joke a day. I also went to Brăila because I wanted to film some footage for a From Romania with Love video, but I was only able to spend a couple of hours there and I didn't get to see the Danube coastline, which is actually an iconic landmark of the city. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to go back someday to complete the video. Speaking of From Romania with Love, I'm planning a summer trip to Romania. My intention is to travel by train with my mom and Millie, just as girls, you know, and gather video footage from a couple of important and beautiful touristic locations in Romania. It's a dream of mine to go on a mother-daughter, granddaughter trip, and I'm very determined to do this next summer. I'm hoping the circuit will include the Palace Castle, the Citadel in Sighișoara, Cluj-Napoca, the monasteries in Moldova, Iași, the Neamț Fortress, and yeah, we'll see what else we encounter on our way. One more thing, while I was in Brăila, I bought these gorgeous Romanian children's books, and I know that you guys ask me all the time to recommend you some easy literature books to help you practice your Romanian, so if you'd like me to present them in a video, let me know. You know me, I'm a sucker for beautiful illustrations, and I was super picky when I chose the books. There were many classical Romanian books that I wanted to have, but I didn't buy them because the layout and the so-called illustrations were simply terrible. Hopefully, I'll find some more appealing editions next time I go home. Alrighty, that's about it for now. I really hope you enjoyed catching up a bit, and as always, if you have any suggestions for future lessons or videos, please let me know in the comment section down below. Be happy!